How to add dual alternate spelling on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add dual alternate spelling on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines, settings and privacy, settings, profile information, and then this one, click add other name and click here, and then select this one, alternate spelling, and then just type here your alternate spelling and click here if you want to show it at the top of your profile, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.